At this moment, a legal battle is underway in Oregon that could strike down Governor Brown's stay-at-home order or uphold it. A judge in Baker County tossed out the restrictions yesterday, but then the Oregon Supreme Court put a hold on that restriction late last night while they wait to hear the arguments. Right now, we are waiting to find out when that case will be heard by the High Court. All we know is that Oregon's Attorney General Ellen Rosenblum said today that the state's petition against the judge's ruling will be heard sometime after this Friday. It all comes down to if the governor had to get approval from lawmakers to extend her public health emergency past 4 weeks. So for a little while, some businesses could open legally yesterday. The rulings created confusion, though, for a lot of people, including business owners who weren't sure what they could do. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us now live with more on all this. Brenna?
Well, Wayne, we've heard from some hairstylists asking what this means for their businesses and their clients. One tells us they had customers trying to get in for a haircut when they weren't even open. So right now, as it stands in this very moment, the governor's stay-at-home order is in effect.
There is one business owner who this news didn't change much for. Lindsey Graham, the owner of Glamour Salon in Salem. Her business is open against the governor's executive order. And even though last week she announced Oregon OSHA cited her for $14,000, she's remained open. When the news broke out of Baker County yesterday, Graham tells me she was excited, but then became disappointed the state Supreme Court acted so quickly.
I believe that the mandate was proven to be null and void, that she did not follow procedure. And it's discouraging that yet another level of our government has failed us yet again.
While businesses were technically allowed to be open for some time yesterday, Graham says that didn't change anything for their customers because they've already been coming in, and she says feeling safe.
And coming up at 5 o'clock, you'll hear from a law professor who's breaking down the legal steps and the next in this process. You'll also hear an update from the attorney who's leading the charge on challenging the governor's executive orders. Reporting live in Portland, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.